Are you self-employed and are having a hard time getting a mortgage? You're going to want to watch this. I'm here with David Hetti from Mortgage Intelligence, and we're going to be talking about self-employed mortgages as well as people that have a bad credit. So I've had a lot of clients actually that are self-employed, and they have a hard time going to the lender and getting a let's say traditional mortgage, whatever that may be. So is there something that you can help them with in that respect in self-employment mortgage lending?
Absolutely, Anna. Let's get into specifics. What was the property worth? The one that you are planning to sell?
It was around $500,000.
So the house was worth $500,000, and what do you think is the mortgage outstanding on the current house?
They probably have around $100,000 left.
$100,000 left. So they have around $400,000 in equity. And you had mentioned to me prior to this video that
Yep.
they had some credit issues and so on and so
Yeah,
forth.
so self-employed and they have a little bit of a credit
Wow,
issue.
that is a tough transaction. Self-employed, and they also have a pretty questionable credit.
Right.
So the way we would approach as mortgage agents or mortgage brokers, first and foremost, is we would try to make a recommendation to a lender if in the event these clients want to purchase a property.
Okay.
And obviously we would have to have more than 20% down.
Right.
Almost all the alternative lenders, now there are three different types of lenders. You have your A lenders, which are the banks.
Right.
Then you have your alternative lenders, home trust, equitable trust, equity financial trust, and there is another one called optimum mortgages. And then you have your tier 3, which are the private lenders. So to go to any one of these tier 2 or alternative, or to go to a private lender, you have to have a minimum of 20% down. So my recommendation to your client would be to pay off all their bad credit or questionable credit,
With their
pay them
equity?
off, get a settlement, pay off all the debt,
Okay.
and then work with 20% down. And I would work with an alternative lender to get them a rate ranging anywhere between 3.99 to 5%. So this is entirely a doable transaction.
Okay.
However, let me be frank with you, none of our tier 1 or the banks or any other lenders could put this together. So
So
it
that's
is
probably why they've been struggling to try and get approved.
Absolutely. So they obviously have a mortgage with a bank. They've gone to their current bank because they've had good history of repayment. However, the bank has said, I'm sorry, we can't lend to you.
Okay.
So in a situation like this, it's important, even before you list the home, because you don't want your clients to be homeless,
Yep.
right? Before you do list the property, to refer your clients to us so
Right.
that we can do a pre-approval, make sure that they are ready and are able to be put with an alternative lender. For more information, you can always contact us at davidhetti.com or call us at 1-866-452-1100.
Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Real Talk with Anna. My contact information is below, and you can always follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Anna Sold It.